Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, right now you can see that I'm in the car, my BMW 328i E93, and one of the things I'm doing is, well, I'm heading to the mechanic, and I'll show you what some of the lights are on my dash and why this trip to the mechanic, and then also just share with you what the cost is, because like I said, you know, the whole idea of creating this used BMW ownership journey is to disclose kind of the good, the bad, and the ugly of used BMW ownership. What am I doing with the car? What's it costing me to repair certain things? What kind of reliability am I getting with it? So, you know, I'm going to share those things with you. And so let me show you the dash and talk a little bit about what we need to go in for this time. All right, so let's fire the car up and see what type of lights we get. And also check on the mileage. Here goes. All right, so you can see here, I'm at 65,210 miles. My oil change was due at 65,000 miles. I have a low tire pressure light on. I have my car on a lift and a brake light at the top. Now I know you're probably thinking this brake light here is because I have the parking brake on, but I don't. Now I have the parking brake on and you'll see that light glows red. But if I take the parking brake off, that light stays on and remains yellow. And that means there's something wrong with the brakes. Now in this case, I think it's just something wrong with the brake sensor. I think the brakes are perfectly fine. They feel great, but I'm getting a false, I think, brake light because I have a bad sensor. And I think the same thing is true of the tire pressure. The TPMS sensors, I think, are going bad. The batteries in them are likely dead or dying. And the tire pressure is perfectly fine because I've checked it. So the oil change and these lights on the dash are why we're bringing the car in. And I'll get back to you on what needs to be done and how much it costs. There she is, dropping her off right next to a friend. Navy blue 328i convertible BMW M3. A couple more 328s around, some X1s. You know, these guys here at Black Forest, they're BMW specialists, and so we take our car to the best so that they get good care. Okay, I'm back in the car, and as you can see, no lights. All the lights have been cleared and I'm all set to go. So $340 later, we're back in the car, fresh oil, lights are all off the dash, and now it's time to go for a cruise. So it's a beautiful day here. It's about 65 degrees. We're gonna take the top down. We're gonna go for a drive. We're gonna fill up the gas tank, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.